Hello, guys. My name is Paco, and I want to. I fix motorcycles, and then I put it back on the road. In this video, I want to show you how to replace a tire, and for me, this system Rabaconda is a pretty good system because it has all the tools that you need in order to change the tire. Every the pair of tires when you take it to another place at least is like $60. So with this system you can do it in house in your garage with, and it has all the tools that you need. So I do recommend it. My first tire change that I did in this motorcycle was 16 minutes, and then the second time I learned some of the things that I need to do before the change of the tire, and then I did it in basically 8 minutes. um, with this system, it helps you to break the bead, to remove the first layer of the tire, and then to remove the second one, and then to put the new one. And basically, you need to use some muscle, but it's still a very good system. As you can see, my tire, the one that I had before, or the original one, or not original, but this tire is pretty bit up. Um, it is from 2001, and today is 2025. So I did my some burnouts that I will show you in this video, but then show you how to do the replacement of the tire. I will do the first video on fast speed, so you can just see all the things that I did. But then I will show you in real time the 8 minutes changeover, change tire change. And please let me know your comments. Please follow me and let me know if you want me to do something different or anything. Let me know. Thank you. All right, so we're going to do now the change of the tire. First step is to remove the valve steam so we don't have any air pressure because we have to break the bead. We have the rotation this way. So once everything is set, like we have the magnets to hold the wheel, and the magnets in on the bottom is center here, kind of is free to move. So now the next step is to break the bead. But before that, I will. So I have all the tools from Rabaconda, so it's great, and I will put a timer to see how long we take to change the tire for a new one. These are Kendas. What I like about this from Repsila is that they give you the box or the tires with car box, and the important thing about this is when they have the car box, they maintain the tires open, so whenever you are trying to inflate them, you don't have that problem. So these are made in Korea. I just bought them so like 1 week ago. This is 2025, and this is July 2025, and these tires were made in where they are here. These were made in 1025, so the week 10th of 2025, so they are pretty new tires, which is great. And let's do the assembly of this and see, because these tires are kind of good conditions from outside, but if you see them, these are cracked, so these are not good anymore. All right, so we're going to start. I'm going to put the timer or the stopwatch in start and see how it goes. All right, first you locate this one in order to break the bead. Okay, it's broken. What's it on? Remove this. Here. The tire is done. It's ready to go. So I just did the balance. So I just going to do a little turn and see if it moves. Looks to be alright. And I add some weights here, so it's good to go.
1,000 years later.
Okay, so we're going to do second trial on the change of the tire. It's very hot here, so this tire is from 1010, 10th week of, oh no, 2001, 01, first week of, uh, first week of the year of the 2000 one, and we're going to replace it with this one, brand new. That, as I told you before, it comes with a car box to make the shape of the tire to keep it open, so it will be easier. So last time we did 16 minutes. We're going to try to do about 12 or 10. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I have everything ready. I have the clock. I have the soap for to make it so we can remove easier the tire. This is locked in position. So basically, we are doing a pre-flight, and we are doing everything that we need to have ready in order to do the change. All right, so we're going to do. We're going to do the change of this tire for a new one, and I already drained the air. All right. Okay. Good. Let's see. We start. Let's break the beat. Okay. Oh, not yet. Something that I didn't do last time. I didn't turn it to the other side. Now I'm doing it. Okay. That was not tight. We do the same procedure with the back part of the tire. All right, tire's out. We make sure that the wheel is clean, and it is. So now we're going to put the new tire. So this is the brake. No, I'm sorry. This is the chain side. So uh, this has to go like this. We're going to put lube first. We do the same. Okay, good. This is the first one. So we have this tool. We can use it here in order to keep the tire inside. But I'm not going to use it right now. Let's see. That makes this the tire doesn't move, and we have to make sure that we're pushing the tire to the center of the rim, so to make it easier for the tire to fit. All right. We have to put the valve again. Right. We need to hear the pops. Okay. Let's see. What's the 15? So we need more. 234. 25. 35. All right. So I consider this change at 8 minutes at 16 seconds. As you can see, the tire is fully mounted, has 35 pounds of uh, PSI, so it's ready to go. So 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Whew. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I got this hat from Dennis Kirk as a garage build, so I like it, but it's too hot. So I do recommend Rabaconda. You need to put your force to do it, but it's very easy. And doing the change of two tires, I saved like $60, and I have different bikes, and I like to work on bikes. So whenever I need to change the tires, I just buy them, and then I change them by myself. Um, yeah, I like Rabaconda. Even that here is very hot, so I'm sweating, but all good. All right, follow me. Thank you.